Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by defining clear objectives. Decide whether you want to finish the series, dissect character choices, or map the timeline. Once done, set compact viewing blocks of 30 minutes to sustain focus and avoid fatigue. Make sure to have a notebook and timestamp app ready to capture critical scenes and decisions. This first phase establishes rhythm and intent. It prevents passive watching and lets you immediately collect evidence and impressions that you'll use in the deeper analysis to follow. Now you move into detailed scene-by-scene analysis. Pause after key sequences and ask why each survival choice was made, then record the immediate consequence. This links behavior to outcomes. Use timestamps to create a causal map so you can trace chain reactions across episodes. Once segmented, compare similar scenarios to identify recurring motifs, like communication breakdowns or weapon availability, and note how they shift stakes. Make sure to tag standout moments so you can reference them quickly during your synthesis. You finish by synthesizing notes into a concise timeline and a set of actionable takeaways, practical tactics characters used that succeeded or failed. Once organized, translate those lessons into short tips you can test mentally or discuss. Include who made the effective calls and why. If contradictions appear, make sure to rewatch the flagged timestamps and reconcile notes. This targeted rewatching fixes gaps without redoing the whole series. Finally, summarize 3 clear lessons that explain how outcomes were earned.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.